In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add banner image on Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. Then click Themes. This is where you manage the look and layout of your storefront. On the theme you are currently using, click the Customize button. This opens the theme editor, where you can make visual changes and see a live preview as you work. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left sidebar. This panel controls the sections on your page. Find and select the section called Image Banner. If you do not see it right away, click Add Section, and then choose Image Banner from the list. Adding or selecting this section is important because it controls the banner image, its text area, and its overall styling. Next, in the Image Banner settings, click Select Image. You can choose an image that is already in your Shopify files, or upload a new file from your computer. When you upload, use a high-quality image that fits a wide layout, since banner images are usually displayed across the full width of the page. After the image loads, give it a moment to render in the preview so you can judge how it looks. Now adjust the overlay opacity setting. This controls the dark or light overlay that sits on top of your image behind the text. Increasing the opacity can make your banner text easier to read, especially if your image is bright or busy. Lowering it keeps more of the image visible, but can reduce text contrast. Aim for a balance where the image still looks sharp but the text remains clear. After that, set the banner height. Choose small, medium, or large depending on the visual impact you want. A larger banner is more dramatic and attention-grabbing, while a smaller banner can keep the page feeling compact and content-focused. Watch the preview as you change the height so you can confirm it matches your design. When you are happy with the result, click Save in the top right area of the editor. Saving ensures your changes go live on your storefront. Finally, preview the mobile view by clicking the device icon at the top of the screen. Check that the image crops well, the text is readable, and nothing feels cut off on a phone-sized layout. If needed, go back and fine-tune the overlay opacity or banner height, then save again, and that is all there is to it.